Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling.And this month we're talking about things to do when you have spare time. And especially here in Taiwan, there's a lot of things you can do during nighttime as well. 其实呢，我们常常都会教一些可能好像是周末要去逛街啦，或者是爬山啦的一些活动。可是有的时候在台湾呢，很有名的就是比较夜生活的东西。
哦，我知道。
你知道啊？
夜店跳舞吗？
哎呀，你这么懂啊？
我也有经历过。
Well, there are a lot of things to do. For instance, here in Taiwan, there's something very famous on Wednesday. A lot of clubs have Ladies' Night. 其实呢，在台湾很多这个夜店呢，周三呢会有这个所谓淑女之夜，
不用钱。
你看 Alice 就知道了，常常都不用钱的。Okay, let's talk about this. How to say on Wednesdays, ladies get in free. Okay, 去跳舞 when they go to a nightclub, all right? 所以女生周三呢去跳舞不用钱。
Same way。Same
way 啊，这知道吗？女生啊 ，same way 按讲啊。
哎，对啊，
对不对？
对。
哎 ，same way。
拜三
that's Wednesday.
He 跳舞。
Oh, he 跳舞 That means when you go dancing.
四千
That means it's all free. You don't have to spend a dime to get in. All right? 女生周三去跳舞不用钱。还有在这边呢，很多人喜欢去唱歌 KTV 啊，要去 K 歌一下，对不对？所以呢，今天去 KTV 唱歌可以打5折。
金本
日 That's today.
He KTV 唱歌诶。
He KTV 唱歌诶。That means going to the KTV to sing.
做得打5折。
做得打5折。5折就是刚好5折，就是对半。Okay, that's 50% off if you go sing at the KTVs today.
那唱歌海陆腔。
唱歌歌。All right, and then finally, you know what? I love bowling too. 这个保龄球也是还蛮夯的一个活动哦。下班我们一起去打保龄球吧。
下班穷下
來去。That means after work, let's go.
打保齡球哦。
打保齡球哦。That means after work, let's go bowling together.
Okay.
Wow, you know what? I'm very good at Hakka when we're talking about leisure activities. 好像休闲活动，我的 Hakka 比较进步一点哈。
对呀，
我还是比较喜欢玩。
对，看得出来。
Yeah, well, that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.